Today I show you how to switch between the lenses on your iPhone camera. This is iOS 26 and this is the new camera, and you can easily switch between lenses just like this. I'll show you right now. So you have 2x, 5x, that's the zoom. So here I disable the macro mode to actually use the lens. So it's 5x, 2x, 1x, and the ultra wide. 0.5x is the ultra wide. You can also switch between lenses by doing the pinch to zoom like this, and this will switch automatically between lenses as you zoom in and out. The numbers here will change and you might see a little bit of a effect when the lenses are changed. So 5x, yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I like the zoom effect. It's very seamless zoom on the iPhone. So I could take a photo with a 5x. I could move these things a bit further back. So now we are at 5x and I could take a photo of these things, and even further, 12x and so on. 2x and 1x. And I can see the pictures. This one is not so clear, okay. But this one looks okay. That's pretty clear picture. Shows really well. And this one. You can see the material on this thing. There are a few tricks you can use when you do this zooming between the lenses. You can also use the macro mode when you're taking a picture of something really close, but I like to avoid using the macro mode. And also you can switch between the modes like this. On the iPhone 16 Pro Max and future iPhones, you have the camera control button, and you can use this actually to halfway press and use this to zoom in like that. It's very, very convenient to use it like this. So now we're at the switch to the front camera, and now the rear camera. This is the 5x, 2x, 1x. So the iPhone 16 Pro Max has the main camera, which is 1x usually, and 2x. There is also the zoom camera, the zoom lens. This is going to be anything 5x and more, even 8x and 13x, and the ultra wide 0.5x. Okay, you can use the same thing with video mode, and this is about photo mode. And I will show you a really nice setting. In the settings of your iPhone, you search for the camera options. Here you have the setting for camera control. This is the camera button here. And here there are lots of things to change, but we're not really looking at that right now. What I wanted to show you now is the option for the Fusion camera. For photo capture, you can choose the Fusion camera settings and you can exclude lenses. So you can add additional lenses, 28mm, 35mm. So 1x zoom will be 24mm, and then you get 2x zoom. So you can also default to 1.2x, for example, if 1x is too wide. So now after I change that, I can open the camera up again, and you already see it's 1.2x. So I see 24mm now, it's 1x. And now it switches to 1.5x. It's a small difference, but that's how it is. I prefer actually 1x. It's very simple, so it's very clear how it is there. This is how you switch between lenses in photo mode, and you can do the same thing in video mode. The easiest is to do like this. You can zoom in like this. It's really interesting. And you can do this while recording video also. I hope this helps you. I hope this helps you know how to switch between lenses and which lenses are better. It's always better to use the 1x and 2x, I believe. That's when you get the best quality, and you can use the front-facing camera if you want to also, but 1x and 2x are the best quality usually for any phone. Thanks for watching.